immigration. All right, Abby in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Abby.
Yes, sir. How are you?
How you doing?
Good. I have a question. I am a green card holder for I got for petty offensive spirit.
What? A what?
Petty offensive spirit.
For a
Petty offense.
what offense?
Petty offensive like that.
A petty offense.
Yeah.
You're saying a petty offense?
Yes.
Okay.
For speeding.
For speeding.
For speeding 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
1
And,
to 10.
What?
110.
Yeah,
110 miles an hour.
No. 1 to 10.
What is
1 to 10?
Okay. What's the question? I don't know what 1 to 10 means.
Over 10 miles. Over 10 miles.
Okay. Over 10 miles an hour. Okay.
Yeah.
10 miles over the limit. Got it.
Yes. Also, I'm waiting for interview for U.S. citizen.
So my answer to you is that speeding 10 miles above the speed limit is not a crime of moral turpitude. It is a driving infraction, and it does not affect your citizenship.
Okay.
So you'll be fine.
For me
No, 10 miles over the speed limit is not affecting your citizenship. There's no law. There's no law that says bad driver, you can't become a citizen.
Yeah. First, it was 19 mile over the speed, and
then they lowered it. Okay, I understand. You're fine.
Yeah,
You're fine. You're fine.
Okay. All
right.
Thank you, man.
You're very welcome. All right, sleep well.
All right.
Fafayo in Arlington, Texas. Fafayo.
Hello, Mr. Brown.
Hi, how are you?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing?
Fine, sir. Yes, I have a question about my sister. She just came from South Africa, and she's on visitor's visa. So I'm trying to see, is there any program she can enroll in at the moment? Because we just got our driver's license today, our permit. So I'm trying to see what kind of...
What type of visa did she come here on?
She came here on B1, B2.
Okay.
Visitor's visa.
So what she could do is enroll in school and try to get a student visa. That would generally what people would do in this situation.
Oh, okay.
All right. There's no program. There's no program to. There's no program to enroll in that. I'm on a B1, B2 visa, and then poof, I get a green card. There's no such thing.
Huh?
There is no poof, I get a green card because I came here on a tourist visa. There's no program.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. J.O. in Boston.
Hello?
Hi, J.O.
Yes, hi. Thank you, sir, for the opportunity of asking our question.
Yeah, my pleasure.
Thank you. So in 2019, I got rejected at AOS. I applied, after diversity lottery, I applied for adjustment of status. And I got rejected because I came on an F2 visa and my husband worked. So all of us, me, my husband, and my daughter, we
Why were you doing an adjustment? Doing an adjustment based on what?
On DVL, lottery.
DV lottery, okay. Yes, so you got denied because you violated your visitor's visa status.
Yes.
Right.
So the three of us, we received NTAs to go to court, immigration court.
Right.
And I have my date coming in March of 2021. And my daughter just applied for DACA, and hopefully she will get it.
Great.
My husband's date at immigration court is till December of 2021.
Right.
So for me, I talked to a lawyer, and I Googled a little bit to see what I could do. I could apply to asylum and removal of...
Withholding of removal.
Cancellation of removal, yes, please.
Right.
And
well, do you have you have children here?
I have one daughter.
How long have you been in the United States?
17 years now.
Okay, yeah, so the answer would be you would apply for cancellation of removal. That would probably be your strongest case.
But
Yeah.
But my daughter is healthy, and we don't really. The lawyer I talked to, he said I can apply, but he doesn't think that I will get.
Well, you have to
anything.
show extreme and unusual hardship to your child. I don't know, I don't know enough about your family, but generally speaking, one child isn't a winning case. For extreme and unusual hardship for cancellation removal. That doesn't mean you don't win, and it doesn't mean you can't put together a really good case. I don't know anything about your family, so for you to say, just because the lawyer says, typically one family household loses these cases, typically that's the case, but that doesn't mean you can't fight and win the case.
Exactly, but. My question was more about prosecutorial discretion.
They don't have it right now.
Oh, okay.
So, but you should find the best lawyer you can find, and put your best foot forward for cancellation removal.
Okay.
All right, hold on.
Thank you. I think I'll contact you back to
Thank
see
you very
your
much.
prices.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks for watching. For more Bradshaw Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.